What's up, YouTube? I am doing an unboxing of a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Well, actually knocked a penny in my lap. So anyways, here's a penny. Okay, yeah, I'm just listening. I ain't gonna do a review on a penny. Seen those many times, I'm pretty sure. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Here's the back of the box. I really wanted the red one. They did not have it, which freaking sucked. I got this at, show you the front of the box. Right there. Wait, huh? Compare. Where did I get this at? Burks, I think it was Burks. I don't know. Show you how bad my memory is at getting stuff. But anyways, it was only $4. Probably ain't worth nothing, but might as well open it. It'd be easier if I had scissors. I don't have any scissors. I got thumbtack. Well, attack. Just, see? It's I think it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. Let's open it. Don't do this at home, and I mean it. Do not do that. It's not. I shouldn't even do that, but do not do this at all. Zoomed in way too much there. Ooh, yeah, okay. Do not do this. Ask your parents for help, and don't take advice from teenagers. That's what I'm telling you right now. Do not take advice from teenagers like me. Don't do the, well, me, I don't do smart stuff in the world. Okay, sweet. I'll just throw the box on there. Anyways, here it is. I can't get the base out. I'm just kidding. I can get the base out. Twist this, I think. Hey, I got it out. Sweet. Oh. Are you kidding me? The doors don't even freaking open. Well, very devastated on what I got. Thought it was gonna be something different, something better. I thought it was gonna be on a display stand. I am so freaking upset. Oh my goodness. This is what I get. Paid $4 for this. I was thinking it was gonna be a 1/24 scale die cast. Gosh dang it. Well, shows you my look right there. I am devastated. See, all this thing does is just that. It doesn't, nothing opens on it. Is that the fuel tank? Goodness. There's a dent in it, looks like. Oh gosh. I cannot explain how devastated I am for getting this thing. This was a bad idea. But at least I got Sesto Elemento. That's all I really care about. Tack on the wall now. Make a new home. Right there. That's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento unboxing. I'm just devastated. I paid $4 for that. It's not much, but man, I'll find something better to do than this. I am so disappointed on this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Be safe.